Let's calculate how much you'll earn from a certificate of deposit, or CD, worth $2,000 at 4% interest compounded annually over 1 year. To solve this, we'll use the compound interest formula, where A is the accumulated amount, P is the principal of $2,000, R is the interest rate of 4%, N is the number of times interest is compounded per year, which is 1 for annually, and T is the time in years, which is 1 year. Let's substitute these values into our formula. We start with our principal of 2,000. Then inside the parentheses, we have 1 plus our interest rate of 0.0, 4 divided by 1, all raised to the power of 1 times 1. Now, let's solve this step by step. First, we simplify what's inside the parentheses to 1.04. Then, we multiply 2,000 by 1.04. This gives us $2,080. Therefore, after 1 year, your $2,000 CD will grow to $2,080, meaning you will earn $80 in interest. This is the power of compound interest. Even at a modest rate, your money grows over time.